The CBD and the Southeast Light Rail project in Sydney is a government public transportation project funded by Transport for New South Wales. Generally, there are two lines for CSELR, which are L2 Randwick Line and L3 Kingsford Line, with about 12 kilometers road, 119 stops in total. The pathway commences from Circular Quay in CBD along George Street and by Central Chalmers Street, Surrey Hills, Moore Park, USW, and Kensington.
I'm the project director for this project, and my role is to ensure that the Sydney L3 light rail project is completed on schedule. I will also work with other departments to monitor the progress of the project and deal with problems in a timely manner. I will also communicate with government and other departments to ensure that the project runs smoothly. My aim is to ensure that this project will be completed successfully and provide the citizens of Sydney with a reliable and efficient means of transport. The role of a project director can be described as a role that focuses on strategic management, coordination, and a lot of admin work. And due to the high financial risk, the project director needs a proactive way of work.
Hi, I am Yishan, the CBD and Southeast Light Rail Project Contract Administrator. Generally, my main work is dealing with all the agreements and contracts of the project. In my work, I need to generate, analysis, review the contract, and ensure the terms and content in the contract are satisfied with the contractual provisions. In the planning stage, I'm the facilitator of the communications between stakeholders to gather their interests and requirements so that I can involve them and generate a mutually beneficial contract. Sometimes I need to work closely with the project manager to oversee and monitor the process to ensure the project runs on time and within the budget. Besides that, negotiation is also part of my work because I need to negotiate with the clients to settle the conflicts while maintaining my company benefits.
As the WHS coordinator for CBD and Southeast Light Rail project, my responsibility is the safety, health and well-being of all individuals involved. Commitment to ensure that every aspect of this project is carried out with the highest regard for safety. The successful completion of this light rail project relies not only on efficient planning and execution, but also on our collective dedication to a strong safety culture. From the construction workers on the ground to engineers and contractors, safety is the thread that holds us together. We have carefully assessed the potential hazard and risk associated with this project and have implemented strong safety standards in place. Regular safety inductions and training sections equip our team with the knowledge and awareness they need to prevent accidents and injuries. In addition, we also deeply invest in the safety of communities we serve. We have designed this project to ensure that disruptions are minimized and safety measures are in place to protect the public. Safety is not merely a checkbox. It is a way of life on this project. Each one of us has a role to play in maintaining a safe and healthy working environment. Our team will identify potential risks and to actively participate in safety actions.
About the site managers, all work on the construction site must be managed and coordinated by the site managers to maintain site safety, quality control, environmental sustainability, and risk management. Project is complicated. A number of issues may arise, including but not limited to the interpersonal disputes between employees, reduce production and efficiency. The site manager's applications include meeting and completing all project requirements. On the specified date, the client received the complicated project. In order to ensure the quality and safety of the work, they are also responsible for the managing conflicts between teams.
I am Xinhe. the project manager of the CBD and Southeast Light Rail project. My key responsibility is to plan and monitor the project working schedule. At the early stage of the project, our team was aimed to deliver the schedule and budget. These were made based on the planning and designing phases. Besides monitor and plan the project, provide some assistance in marketing management during the procurement stage is necessary as well. But in the rail construction project, we have actually faced some problems related to the time and cost management. Our project was officially completed in March 2020, but it was aimed to be completed in March 2019. The total construction duration was 4 years and 2 months. At the end of the project, the overall cost was more than $3.1 billion, which overrun about $1.3 billion. And the operation of the light rail started as the construction completed.
Hi, my name is Yikai Shu, the site engineer of the Sydney CBD and Southeast Light Rail project. As a site engineer, I'm responsible for providing technical advice on the site, supervising the on-site construction activities, and cooperating site managers' work. In order to achieve my responsibilities, I will need to supervising the construction activities taking place on the site, ensuring implementation of safety regulations, providing technical suggestions to workers and subcontractors, ensuring every activity is completed to the required techniques and regulations, and communicating with the site manager, reporting the updates on the site regularly. As part of my responsibility, I also need to record the completed works and tasks, resolved issues, and remaining issues on specific time spots. My target is to deliver the construction activities with efficiency and quality.
As a site foreman, my duty is to oversee and manage all the construction activities at the work site. I have to ensure that the project progresses according to the project plan, followed by safety regulations, quality standard checks, and control the project within budget and schedule. I also need to coordinate and supervise workers. There were some challenges that I encountered when I was involved in the project. One major challenge was the construction delays. For example, a significant cause of delay was the discovery of over 20,000 historical relics in Renwick. At that time, I have to make a decision on whether to stop all workers, as I was concerned about damaging these relics under the site. As a successful site foreman, I have to learn more about the supervision, coordination, as I have to interact with our other subcontractors to ensure the quality of their work.
Hi, I'm Jack Noakes, and my role in the CBD and Southeast Light Rail project is that of a skilled tradesperson. My role as a skilled tradesperson is to partake in the actual construction process of the project. It is my job to read and interpret plans and then use my skills to build elements of the project to a satisfactory level. Within this role, it is also my responsibility as a tradesman to follow the directions of managers, operate within the regulations of the site, such as noise restrictions after 5 o'clock, acknowledge and apply proper WHS work methods for my own safety and others, work coherently amongst other tradespeople, and of course, complete work in accordance with plans and Australian national standards. In conclusion, successful construction of the light rail project is weighted heavily on the work done by tradespeople.
In general, the overall travel time is approximately 35 to 38 minutes, with a capacity of 450 passengers each round. Through the road, several connections will be with the other public transport networks, including buses and trains. Passengers just need to tap on an Opal card or bank card and tap off at the end of the trip. Undoubtedly, light rail construction should not be neglected in urban development, as it benefits commuters, residents, visitors, economics, the environment, and local government.